I'm just giving this a little touch up on the drywall mud here before I sand it, because there's some places where it needs another little touch up on the mud. So I'm just giving it a light little skim coat, nice little skim. So when I sand it, it becomes flush with the wall. So I'm gonna have a look at here. You still see the tape on here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna skim the whole thing. My dry deck's a little bit of a softened up, it's a little bit too thick, so I need it to be a little bit loose. It's not cool. There you go, see? Nice and flat. When I sand it, everything's gonna blend. Now, when it comes to painting, I'm waiting for it to dry. Now, all I'm gonna do is sand it, spot prime it, and roll it to there. Now I'm gonna be doing some caulking at the bottom of the baseboard. And now I've got my revolver gun. That is just, even though it's gonna be hidden, I still like to caulk the baseboards, because it makes your job look neater. So I'm just gonna squeeze a little bit of it, just run it, just like that. Okay, and here again, I'm gonna do that cleaner up first, so you just wipe that down, and cloth, and just give it another clean. It's nice and sharp, nice and sharp. Yeah. Same thing with this side too. Pull back to it now. Just give it a squeeze. Bam. I'm gonna do this edge here. Actually, I'll take a finger and just wipe it off. And the paint should cover that. And that's how you do your caulking. Just like that. You will not know there's caulking in there. Alright? Voila. Bombastic. Fantastic. Slap it. There she goes again. She's gonna be ready in 2 minutes to say. Look at that. Touch it. Smooth. There she goes. Give it another 2 minutes or so, and I'll be ready to give it a little light sand, and then spot prime it. Boom. Gone. Out of here. You don't have to take 2 brushes out just to do one job. A small job, you might as well just use one brush, use it, wash it, and use it again. And it takes 2 minutes to do that. Done. Let it spin. She's done. Because this is a new sleeve that I'm using, it says lint free. Don't believe a word they say, because there's always lint on something. Even the clothes you're wearing, there's a bit of lint on there. So I like to give it a little brush off, take the fluff off, because if you don't, when you apply that paint on your sleeve and you roll it, all the lint's going to go on there. Little fuzz, I call it little fuzz. That's what I call it for me, fuzz. Goes onto your paintwork. That's what they call me, the master. Just a pretty face, I'm a painter. Good one too. Painter. Not all about painting, about thinking. And be best for you, makes you happy. Not sit there and go, oh no, what do I do? Come on, let's go. Cameraman. Now, it's a light sand. So easy. I'm just giving my sanding of the mud a dust down, because that can come onto your paintwork. Trick of the trade. Before you start painting, always just give a dust up before you paint, and that way makes life easier for you. You see? Bam. There's my dustpan. There's my dustpan. And all I do now, spot prime, wait for it to dry, pick all my tools up, and I say to the homeowner, I'm all done. They come downstairs and see for myself. Bring me sunshine. Bring me love. Here we are. No one knows why I'm doing this, eh? The reason why, because it's a new sleeve. Sometimes you're there forever. Try to load up your sleeve, your roller sleeve with the paint. So at least I brush it on first, and that way, when I'm going to load it, now I'm spot priming. Spot prime very wide, so it all blends in. Just because it's a skinny piece there, you don't worry about giving it a little spot prime. You go wide, so it all blends in. Just playing around with this cutting because I don't want brush marks, so I'm getting rid of all my brush strokes. Beautiful. Beautiful. Right. Beautiful. Now she's ready to roll. And Beautiful. There you go. Now this is the only time you clean your brush on the can. See? Like that. It's the only time, for me anyway, you have to get this excess paint off. Got a wet cloth here. Just in case there's a little bit of dust. Perfect. Now I'm cleaning my paint tray. She's done. Get the lid. Put the lid back on. Tap, tap, tap. My revolver is. See my revolver? Get that? Done. Revolver. Garbage. From here. Let's have a look at something. See the trick of the trade. See, we've got to think all the time, eh, guys? We've got to think. I forgot something to wrap my sleeve up, and then this is what I'm going to do. Ah, beautiful. Look at this. You know what? I do like this. Don't mess it around. Boom. That's done. The only thing I've got to do is wash my brush out. I'm finished. Bob's your own little furniture farm. You know what I mean? Did my job. For NT painting. Alright? For NT painting decorating. Enjoy one.